boys? Welcome back to another day, another video. I've been telling you guys that I want to buy a Corvette. And what I have here is probably the highest spec Z06 I have seen in the whole country. This car is literally insane and we're about to take it to a whole nother level. This car has the carbon exterior package, the Z07 carbon aero. It has the carbon side skirts. It has the carbon front lip, the carbon canards, the carbon wheels with carbon ceramic brakes. This thing is literally insane. Let's see what this thing sounds like. Oh my God, bro. Even startup on OEM, like this thing does not have an exhaust on it. This is what it sounds like OEM. Insane. I love this car. And one of the most insane things about this car is the color scheme from the exterior to the interior. So just wait to see the interior. You guys are literally not ready for this. This car has the dark blue, light blue. It's carbon everywhere. So carbon here. Look, even this little freaking piece right here is carbon. Carbon here, carbon here, carbon here, carbon there. Carbon freaking everywhere, all the way to the paddle shifters, to the bezel, to everything. This is a 2025, so it doesn't have the new interior. Dude, this is literally the hardest spec Z06 that I have seen. And on top of it, not only is this thing a Z06, it's a freaking convertible. I'm gonna drop the top on this one just so you guys can see what it looks like with the top down. Honestly, this shit looks so good. Look at this, like in a freaking spaceship. So sick. And this thing freaking sounds great. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I gotta hold both paddles to do this, but oh my God, I love this car. And this steering wheel, the blue stitching everywhere is freaking insane. All right, let's see what it looks like from the outside with the top down. So freaking sick, dude. You see, like, I'm not the biggest fan of just normal Z06. I'm sorry, normal C8s. Now, if I was to spend the money, I wouldn't go out and buy a normal C8 Stingray. But the price hopefully is gonna be coming down a little bit. This one is super high spec. I'm pretty sure he paid like 170 or 180, closer to 200 for this car because of how crazy of a spec that he chose. And he is a super good client of ours. This car is gonna be getting a forged carbon hood. It's gonna be getting a forged carbon ZR1 wing. It's gonna be getting other side skirts. It's gonna be getting a full exhaust. It's gonna be getting a cat delete. So if you guys wanna see us build this car, make sure you guys subscribe, like the video, and I'm gonna make an update on exactly how this car's coming out. Just the two-tone is crazy, dude. Like the way this is carbon flash and it separates from here. This blue freaking suede. I didn't even see that this was blue suede. That's so freaking cool. Blue suede in the back. Even these panels with the dark blue on the plastic is insane. I can't even say insane how many times. I love this car. And blue is not my color. I really do not like blue. I would prefer red, but just look at it. Look at it. One more time before I gotta put it away. This thing is just freaking insane, but I'm gonna put this car away for the day. I wish I could drive it. I don't wanna drive it right now. The car just got here, it is fresh, so take a last look before I park it. Too good. Good night to this one. If you guys saw the last video, this orange Camaro we got, this one is gonna be getting the carbon bumper, a bunch of other carbon bits. This one is getting worked on now. It's gonna get like this style bumper. And then this is a new product we just came out with also for you guys who are interested with the Camaros, with the 3-piece carbon OE style splitter. This thing is super badass. This is up on our website. You guys get 15% off this one. Shoot me a comment, I'll send you a code. These are freaking really good fitting. Just picked up some freaking boba for the night for me and my girl, and I found a tamales guy. The tamales are secured. Low-key, I see this tamale guy all the time at this Walmart in Corona. I love supporting these guys, but I hope that I don't shit my pants after I eat these. All right, we're doing a live tamale review right now. That's pretty good. I'm already halfway done. This shit is so good. 10 out of 10 for the freaking parking lot tamale guy.
I got the green chicken. I don't eat pork, so green chicken is all I could do. I already dropped it all over myself. 10 out of 10.
Good news, boys. We survived the next day. Felt great after eating it. But we are in the office right now. Don't mind the dirty window, but look how sick my view is from my office. I get to see all the cool cars. Short video, but I'm gonna leave you guys at this one. I appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching. I got another one coming out in another day or so, so I appreciate it. Don't forget to like and comment, subscribe. Have a good rest of your day. Check out my Corvette sign. Peace.